step into the Ford 2018 Fusion Say. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle's top features include front-wheel drive, power steering, ABS, 4-wheel disc brakes, brake assist, brake-actuated limited-slip differential, aluminum wheels, tires, front performance and tires, rear performance. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.